This is the summary of Act 2, Scene 2, and we like to call this one the proposal. The characters that are involved in this specific scene are Romeo and Juliet. This is right after Romeo has climbed over the orchard wall, and Romeo and Juliet express their love and devotion to one another. Romeo asks for the exchange of thy love's faithful vow for mine. Basically, he wants a commitment. Juliet takes it a step further, and she claims that she already gave her heart to him when they first met back at the party. She tells him that she's going to send a messenger to him to finalize plans about the wedding. Yes, they are wanting to get married, and they've just met. This all takes place outside of Juliet's room. This is actually the famous balcony scene. The reason why this is an extremely important scene in Act 2 is that Romeo and Juliet's quick commitment to marriage makes us worried, and we should question their actions as readers, because they too might be blinded by love. Is this really genuine? Can we really trust that their love is gonna last? So please read Act 2, Scene 2. I hope you enjoy.